A ceremony that was once unique, Songkran, the Thai New Year, is now observed by Thai people all over the world, and perhaps nowhere more enthusiastically than in Brisbane, where an estimated population of 3,000 Thais celebrated the event at Wat Thai Buddharam, on a beautifully landscaped 10-acre piece of land on the outskirts of the city. Mongkon Krayoklung, a hairstylist who recently arrived from Pitsanlook, was celebrating very enthusiastically. He had every reason to feel happy, having just arrived in Australia to further his studies in English, while at the same time gaining valuable additional overseas experience in the art of hairstyling. The Brisbane Thai Buddhist Temple is a community-based organisation that administers to the spiritual, moral and cultural needs of the Thai Buddhist community. The temple is a pivotal component of the community, offering spiritual services, including religious guidance, support in times of illness, counselling services, marriage ceremonies, funeral processions and language and cultural classes. Wat Thai Buddharam has developed a cultural program to strengthen mixed families and to support migrant Thais and their non-Thai spouses. The program looks after the Thai parent and helps them benefit from the children's cultural understanding of the Australian way of life, which they learn at school. The aim is to produce an empathetic family experience. In this way, Wat Thai Buddharam has been proactive in ensuring the immediate and future welfare of the Thai community and their families in Australia. Back in Thailand, Songkran has acquired considerable notoriety. What started as a show of respect for one's elders by the gentle pouring of a small amount of scented water into the hands of the recipients has now degenerated into pitched battles in the streets of cities such as Chiang Mai, where pickup trucks with water cannons fire high-powered jets of water at each other, and revellers, fuelled by a combination of alcohol and adrenaline, often cause serious injury and even death by overzealous participation, such as the throwing of buckets of water into the faces of motorbike riders. The abbot of Wat Thai Buddharam, Pra Achan Cholatit, has placed a ban on such antics, although this didn't deter the occasional display of youthful exuberance on the part of some of the younger visitors. Inside, however, dignity and decorum reigned supreme as Honorary Thai Consul General Bill Dunn and his wife Chamayporn continued the time-honoured tradition of gently pouring scented water into the hands of Pra Achan Cholatit. Meanwhile, outside, traditional Thai dancers warmed up the audience in anticipation of the climax of the day's proceedings, the crowning of Miss Songkran 2010. The day ended on a happy note for the winner of the Miss Songkran 2010 title, who was showered with prizes, including a free ticket to Bangkok, courtesy of Thai Airways.